To connect a source, click the Data button and select the relevant data source. The data sources you see here are relational databases, flat files, and web applications officially supported by Sisense. Connectors to additional sources, not officially supported, can be obtained for the Sisense community. In addition, you can write your own custom SQL. Each data source requires different credentials in order to connect. So to connect to Microsoft SQL Server, you need to indicate the location of your database, as well as your login credentials. If you want to use flat files like Excel or CSV, you need to upload the files to Sisense. Or if your flat files are going to change frequently, you can put them in a dedicated location, and Sisense will refresh the data each time you build an Elastic Cube. For web applications like Google Sheets, you will typically need a token or credentials to access it. As you see here, we need our Google credentials to sign in. Now when you connect to a data source, you get a list of available sources or databases. Clicking on the database opens a list of tables available in that database. Click on the table you want to add to the data model. If you're unsure of which table you need, you can always preview the data. If you need to find specific data, there's a search field that responds to whatever you type and displays the relevant results. Lastly, you can specify relationships between the tables by importing existing relationships or by creating relationships based on the columns with the same name. And once you've selected all the relevant tables, click Done to add the tables to your data model. In addition to static data sources, Sisense also lets you connect to live data sources, where you can display data in near real time. See our video on connecting to live data for more information.